is John Cena!
How's it going, guys? Today's video is pretty exciting for me. We have a couple of milestones. One is the Camaro has just hit 100,000 miles. It's kind of neat to see the odometer trip over to 100,000, so it's a pretty cool milestone for the Camaro. Actually, it's kind of sad.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Second milestone is the Daninator Channel has reached 5,000 subscribers. In fact, we're over 5,000. We're pretty near 6,000. So pretty excited about that, and I really do appreciate everybody supporting the channel, subscribing, commenting on our videos, and liking them and sharing them. Certainly do appreciate all of that.
All right, enough of this gooey show of emotion.
Anyway, to celebrate the milestones and to show our appreciation to everybody, we are going to be giving away a Cherry Bomb Extreme muffler.
That sounds pretty good.
So how do you win this Cherry Bomb muffler? Well, I'm glad you asked. All you got to do is be a subscriber to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and in the comment section below, just put down the make and model of your vehicle that you'd like to have a Cherry Bomb Extreme on.
You might as well do something while you're doing nothing.
In a couple of weeks, we will announce a winner from the list of those people that have commented below. We'll get in contact with you, and we'll arrange for a Cherry Bomb Extreme muffler to be shipped to you. So Cherry Bomb's not paying me to do this. This is just something I want to do to show my gratitude to everybody for subscribing and watching the videos. So it's just my way of saying thanks.
You gotta do better than that.
Anyway, we're really super excited for the growth of this channel. Hopefully the new year will bring just as much growth. We've got a lot of videos planned. So as always, thanks for watching. God bless.